Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see what is brainstorming method. Okay, so basically it's a method, it's a teaching method that can be used by teacher in the classroom. And if you need another method of teaching, you can check the link in the description box below, and I will upload the rest of method of teaching in future videos, but I have already uploaded many method of teaching, so you can check it in the description box. Okay, so today in this video we are watching and we are seeing what is brainstorming method. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because in my channel you will get all BA related video, as well as you can get PDF also. If you need, you can get it. All you have to do is you just have to comment me in the comment section below. Okay, and if you need the same video in Hindi, then you can watch it in my another YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. Okay, so let's start our video. So today in this video we are going to see what is brainstorming. So introduction of brainstorming, definitions also we are going to see, types of brainstormings, how many types of brainstormings are there, and principles of brainstorming, advantages and disadvantages of brainstorming. Today we are going to see. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so brainstorming. This word is made up of two words, brain plus storm. We can say that storm of brain, we can say that means many types of ideas that runs into our mind. Okay, so here you can see sudden disturbance of mind. So what exactly is brainstorming? Brainstorming is first, let me tell you that Alex F. Osborne has developed this brainstorming method first. Okay, we will also see the history of this method, that how it's originated. Okay, so brainstorming means sudden disturbance of mind. Okay, what exactly happens in this brainstorming method is a group of people, they have to give their own ideas. Okay, for example, let's say that if one means manager is there. Okay, and he called a meeting into his room, and he will put one question. Suppose, let's say for example, he will ask that what should we do to uh, increase our sales. Okay, after that, if he will ask this question to the group, and what group will have to do is group will have to give their own ideas. Whatever ideas is coming into their mind, they will just have to give it. There will be no criticizing. Okay, no one will criticize or bully or praise each another's idea. Nothing will be there. Only if any ideas is hitting in the mind, they will just have to give that type of idea. Okay, so and after that, it is also get recorded in means in camera. So after that, they will try to get all the ideas that all the peoples are giving to them. So brainstorming means we can say that all the people will have that freedom to express their ideas without any fear of getting judged by another people, because there will be no one who will criticize them. Okay, they are just free to give their ideas. So brainstorming is, we can say, is a group activity, and it participants share their own ideas that come into their mind, or as soon as the idea come into mind, they just have to tell that. Okay, and after that means after the session, after the meeting, it will be categorized. Ideas will be categorized and ranked for follow and action. Okay, so this is known as brainstorming. So history of brainstorming, we will see what exactly happened. So we have already discussed that this idea was given by Alex F. Osborne and dates back to around 1939. What happens exactly was this man named Alex of S. F. Osborne. He was basically, he has his own business. Okay, so he actually was frustrated with his employees because they were not creating any new ideas regarding how to increase their sellings. So what he did, he actually called a meeting. Okay, he called meetings, and he actually started thinking of how to increase their ideas. So after that he started doing sessions, meetings also, group thinking sessions, meetings. So this type of meeting that we are discussing is a brainstorming idea. He named it later. Okay, so what he used to do is he used to call many meetings, many sessions. Okay, to get their ideas, to get the ideas of their employees. So they used to give him all the members, all their employees used to give him many ideas. Okay, so after that means later Osborne gave this term or this idea or method. He gave it a name of brainstorm. Okay, so he also discussed in his one of his book. Okay, so during this brainstorm, what he does, whatever idea is collected, it actually gets recorded. Okay, whatever tool are available to them, it gets recorded. So definition you can see here. According to Merriam-Webster, brainstorming is a group problem solving technique that involves the spontaneous contribution of all ideas from all members of group. Means if everyone has to give their own opinion on own ideas regarding some problem. So it is kind of group activity where all peoples are free to give their own experience or their own ideas, opinion. Okay, and free dictionary is also saying the same thing. Okay, so principles, let's see. Quantity over quality means, quantity means we do not have to, means in this idea, uh, quantity is not gives that much importance. Qua- uh, Sorry, quality is not given that much importance, only quantity means the more members have, the more ideas will be there. So quantity is given more importance in this idea or in this method. Second is withhold criticism means criticism will not be there, no one will criticize any another people's ideas. Okay, third you can see is welcome the crazy idea means crazy ideas are also welcome in this method. Anyone can give their any type of idea, whatever ideas are hitting their mind, they had to just express that or just have to give that. Combine, refine and improve idea means ideas can be refined later, can be improved later. If one people has a good idea but that is incomplete, or suppose it should need to improve, then it can be completed or it can be improved later. Okay, advantages, let's see advantages. First is all ideas are accepted means all ideas, every member's ideas are accepted. Okay, everyone just have that freedom to give their own ideas, whether it's a small idea or a big idea. Okay, second is everyone gets to be part of team. Everyone means every members is a kind of part of team. Every people is like free to express their own idea or own opinion. Okay, third is it's exciting and easy, so it's very exciting. People has that freedom, to express their feelings, and no one will be there to judge or criticize, so it's easy as well as it's exciting also. It provides quick and easy class activity, so it's easy and teacher can use it in classroom also. Encourage creative thought, so it's basically we can say practical method. Okay, so it also encourage creative thought. Everyone has their own ideas and it will be also creative ideas. Some people also give some creative idea also. Sixth is each member of the group contributes idea, so each member will have to give their own idea regarding that problem. Okay, disadvantages we will see. It works only when everyone has something to say. Suppose if person do not know about that problem or do not know anything about that, then how will they be able to give their opinion or idea? So it will work only if every people have something to say. Okay, because it's a group activity. Second is facilitator required. So for this facilitator is also required who will for this facilitator will also be required who will judge them. Okay, third is time consuming. So it's time consuming. uh, Everyone has to give their opinion. After that it will be recorded. After that it will be like time will be spent to hear each one's ideas. Okay, some participants need longer to understand the theme and can't immediately provide ideas. So some participants could be there who cannot understand the term or the problem, and maybe they will face type of problem like they will not be able to uh, share their own ideas or opinion if they do not have any knowledge regarding that problem. Okay, so that so this these are all the advantages disadvantages of this method. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video with another BA related topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.